Mabuhay, welcome to my channel. I'm your host David Samaha. I'm from Lebanon and I've been a PC gamer since long time ago, and I would like to share my experience with you, everything concerning gaming PCs, trailers, gameplay, tips and tricks, etc. So on this today's video, I will show you how to manually install mods inside a game called Snowrunner. This method will help you if you have a slow connection, like in my case. So let's get started. First of all, you open your browser and you go to the website snowrunner.mod.io, and it will show you all the list of available mods you can download to the game. For this video, I will select this battle tank. First step, subscribe to the mod. You click here to install and subscribe. Minimize. Next step, run the game. Okay, go to your mod browser tab, and as you can see, the game is already starting to download the file. Don't wait for it to download. I just want the game to create a small file for this. Again, exit the game and then open your documents. Documents, My Games, Snowrunner, Base, Mods, .mod.io folder. I created a shortcut for this folder on my desktop so I can access it faster the next time. Inside Mods folder, here where the game creates all the mods. As you can see, there are numbers. This number is the ID of the mod. You found it. It's here, mod ID. So let's create a new folder here with the ID number of the mod. So let's copy the mod ID from here and rename our folder according to that mod. There it is. Open it. Next, here is from where you download the mod manually. You click on it. I use Internet Download Manager. For me, I found it's the best way to download any large files. It will dedicate the bandwidth to the download and it will download it faster. So I will start the download and pause the video and come back again when it is done. Now the file has finished downloading. Let's minimize the browser. Open the folder location of the downloaded file. As you can see, it is a zip file. Okay, now we can extract the mod inside the folder that we created. As you can see, these are the files of the mod. We can close this. Again, let's open the mod folder of the game. So first of all, let's copy this file inside the mods folder and only rename it mod.io, like this. Double click the file to open it. It is a JSON file. It's okay, we can use the notepad, but don't select always use this app to open JSON files. Okay? You need to delete before the parentheses and up and scroll all the way down until you find the visible one file, and you select everything after it. You delete, close it, and save it. Now your mod is downloaded and ready to be launched inside the game. But before you run the game again, open the mod download queue from the game folder, again using the notepad, and select all and delete all its content and save it. Now we will run the game again. Let's open the mod browser. As you can see, the mod actually is downloaded. You press the on button here, and now I will load the game. There you go. This is the tank mode. I will buy it and just leave it up. There it is. This way you download and install manually any mod. I hope guys you enjoyed and learned anything new from this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification button, and I will see you in the next video.